Is it on? Is it on? It's on? It's on. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Z. You already know what time it is. Today we're gonna get into another beat, of course. I'm thinking like the direction I'm going in is pinup girl, roaring 20s. I believe. I'm not good with my generations. Marilyn Monroe. What's that other lady's name? The other pinup lady. Anyways, that's what we're going to channel today. Or at least that's what we're going to attempt. Usually I like to wait to the end of my videos, then name it and kind of just let y'all, make your own decision. But I'm going to just, put that out into the universe. We're going to go for pinup. We're going to go for pinup girl. Anyway, y'all not like wasting time. So I'm going to jump right into this video. I already did my complexion products. I have my lips setting, prep to go. I got the Mega Pout on today once again because it just makes my lips feel good. We are going to jump into the eyeshadows that I'm not going to film close up on my face and show you all my pores. Gross, right? You live and you learn. Okay, I'm back. So I started filming the eye look and then I was like, Trick, you didn't put on primer, and I wanted to start wearing eyeshadow primer. So I had to take it off. And y'all don't even need to know that because y'all ain't gonna see it, but I'm about to use a primer, and this primer is the Milani eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I never used this before. Never used an eyeshadow primer before. So I'm just gonna see what she's serving. I don't know anything about eyeshadow primer, so I'm just gonna put it on and call it a night. It's an interesting consistency. It's kind of wet and creamy. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that. Alright, so we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette. Bam, bam, bam. We're going to take the color Brown Sugar and we're going to start using that as the base. Patricia Bright palette. Makeup Revolution. This, that, and the third. Okay, so far I'm feeling the primer and the application difference. I'm using it with the primer and without a primer. I get it, and I know it's not an expensive primer, but like there is a difference. I feel it's going on a lot. I feel like it's going on more pink with it, baby. I feel like it's going on easier too. Like. Alright, so we took Brown Sugar and we did a base, okay? We're moving on to the Wonderlust palette by Profusion Cosmetics, my bad. Yeah, I'm gonna take a very little bit of that and I'm gonna kind of go in the corner of my eye, like in the crease. Can get with that. So when I think pinup girl, I think basically pretty natural, but then like winged eye, red lips, this, that, and the third. So I kind of feel like it's soft glam with a winged eye and red lips. Okay, so I'm going to kind of do that, and then you can have the lashes, of course, because every look should have lashes, like that I do. Every look that I do, I like putting on lashes. I'm going to take this palette from Revlon. It's called Player. Oh, the Player palette from Revlon. It's like a really small palette, and I'm gonna take this shimmery color here, and I'm gonna put that in like the inner corner, and then I'm gonna get a shimmerier one and a different color and go on the, you know, the majority of my eye. I'm sorry that I have not been uploading videos like regularly. Like this year was really like, I don't even want to make excuses, but I mean, this year was crazy. Like, we can all agree on that, I think. But I don't know, I don't like putting out content that I don't 100% like or feel proud of, so I haven't. Like, I film videos and I have videos filmed that's just ready to upload, and I'm just like, I don't really like this, so I'm not gonna upload it. And then so much that happens a lot, and so much time passes, I'm just like, you know, and then there's just no content. So I don't like that, but I plan on getting better at that, because it's a colossal waste of time. I feel like filming a video, and then especially filming it and editing it, like, honestly, y'all, it takes me like a week to edit a video. Between working and just everyday life, like, it takes me a week to edit a video. So, yeah, but I do want to create more content, you know, and stuff that I like. So I'm going to work on that, and we are going to get through this together as a team, as a unit, as a duo. Well, more than a duo, hopefully. Okay, so I'm going to go in and use my the Beauty Bar FX palette, this palette here, and Radiant Eyes is the collection, I guess. I don't really know. Now, the thing about this palette is a lot of the colors are ashy. Like, they ashy looking. Like, they all kind of got like a gray undertone. So I just want to tell you that. But I got the palette and I still want to work with it, so I'm going to use it. So I'm going to use this kind of fluffy brush here, and I'm going to take this gold color here, and I'm going to use that on the lid of my eye. So I'm just going to take this like right after the Revlon color, and it's kind of softer and not so bam bam bam. I spoke to them. Jeez, man. I spoke to them. It's very bam bam bam, like it can be. All right, so that's getting there for me. I would like to just make a brief intermission and say that I do not make tutorials. This is not a tutorial. If I have a tutorial on the title of my other videos, then that's different. But these are not tutorials. It's a fellowship. I'm going to take, last but not least, for like the shadows, I'm going to take this Black Radiance contour kit, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the highlight shade. Usually like a pinup look like this, I would say, or just a pinup look period, thinner eyebrows is kind of like more accurate as to what, you know, was happening back then. But I'm not finna cut my eyebrows for one, or shape my eyebrows like that for one look. Now, once I get really advanced and I can use like glue and do a whole new eyebrow, yeah, babe, I got y'all. This is by e.l.f. This is a retractable, no budge no budge retractable liner in black. And I'm just gonna start off the cat eye with this. So I'm done with this pencil. I'm going to now go in with a liquid liner. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. liquid liner and I'm going to finish off the whole liner thing. Okay, I'm stopping. By the power vested in me, I'm stopping. Okay, so we do all that just to cover it with big lashes. All right, so I went on Amazon, okay? I'm an Amazon fanatic. I love Amazon. So, and I ordered these lashes. Big lashes, you know, it's giving very much Bambi. So I've never used these before. Apparently this is like a Instagram brand, Alley Crown. But I ordered them off Amazon and they look fire. I'm trying to see how they look on. But I just wanted to show y'all that this is what we're gonna use today. It's big, it's gonna kind of cover up the look, but a lash is a lash and a lash is a lash. I'm gonna put lipstick on. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera. Same old blush, In Love. I'm sorry, Toasted Almond. Quite frankly, I feel like this is very pin up. If I don't like it, I'm gonna take it out. All right, so I'm using the NYX Milk Pencil in my waterline. I know you can either love or hate this. I kind of like it, so. This is the LA Color eyeliner pencil. It's brown. I don't know. Yeah, it's in the color brown. This is very bright red, but I'm using Willow lip liner, so so it's more forgiving. Okay, I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lash. Oh, by the way, sorry, the red lipstick I used is Spotlight Red by Wet n Wild. It's a matte color though. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off the camera and I'm going to apply my false lashes, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to put my moles on too, and then we will be ready to do the finished look. Okay. 1, 2, 3, bam. Hold on. Let me talk to you about these lashes right quick, because I know what you're thinking. Is this girl nuts? It's not the lashes for this look, but I love it and I actually don't mind it with this look. So anyway, I would choose a smaller lash for this normally, but I kind of like these eyelash surprises when I just try them on for the first time after I did a look and go with it. Okay, it's the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you have a great year. We're going into a new semester. We're going to a new chapter. I'll say that. Let's put that into the universe, a better chapter. And I just want everyone to feel inspired to pick themselves up and continue, because yet we prevail. Don't be discouraged. Keep pushing. Start over. You don't have to wait till the New Year's to have a resolution. You can start right now. Thank y'all once again for watching. I hope I see y'all in the next video. Peace and prosperity, baby. Peace and prosperity.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Only because you can't see the cat eye, like, and I put some time into that cat eye.